Okay, if you got a squeaky tire and you're driving through town and people are going like this to you and it's making that metal on metal sound and you can't get it to the shop to get it fixed right away, I got a real cheap solution that you should be using. That's WD-40, man's best friend. All you gotta do, just spray it on the tire where your brake pad's gonna connect with the rotor. Spray quite a bit on there, and what that's gonna do, if you have a very thin brake pad, just coat it and let the other brakes do the job for the actual stopping and make the sound go away till you have enough time to get to the garage. That's it.